I was driving one day and I saw the name Vivix Credit Solutions on one of the billboards, and I didn't know exactly what it was, and I thought maybe I should give them a call because it did sound to me like it has something to do with the credit repair. So I was not really sure about, because I've dealt with other people with that aspect and it didn't really work out for me. But then I thought I got nothing to lose by going and seeing how this thing works. So I went and spoke to the people over there. They were really convincing. They were really professional, and I just thought I'd take a chance because it was worth it for me, especially because they gave me the opportunity to split the payments over 3 payments or 4 payments, I don't remember, but it was worth it for me to give it a shot. And I did. I gave it a shot, and guess what? Everything worked wonderful. It worked like a miracle to me. They did accomplish exactly what I wanted. I got my credit score or my credit worthiness to the level that I had been seeking, and I'm really very happy with all the results. Wonderful people, excellent results. I don't know what else to say.